Car.
Okay. You never go to campus by car. Okay, and then yeah, you can start from
Then
0 to 100%.
I almost never cook in the morning. I rarely watch movies in the theater. I oh, I go to the mall occasionally. Can I make it like that
Yes,
in the
yes,
sentence?
you
Can I
can. You
put
can.
it?
You can put it in the end or at the beginning of the sentence. Next.
I regularly I order food from Warmindo nearby my rented house regularly.
Okay, regularly. So you never cook,
And
yeah? You
then
almost never cook, but you regularly order the food.
yeah,
Okay, next.
uh,
What about housework, domestic work like ironing or washing or wash the dishes? How about it?
I
How many times you do the laundry, your
I
own laundry?
oh I regularly
Oh, okay. Do the
do my
laundry.
laundry
Oh,
like one to two times in a week.
okay.
And I s- sometimes I use the motorcycle to go to the campus.
Oh, you sometimes use the motorcycle. Okay, good. Next.
I always walk. Oh, then it's not always. I always I always take a shower before I go to the campus.
Of course. If never take a shower, I don't know what happened.
I can't think of anything else.
Oh, how many times do you buy street food?
Um, I sometimes
Jajan. In
buy
Indonesia, buy street food is called jajan ya in Indonesia.
uh I sometimes buy some street foods.
Yeah, do you how many times do you buy food or snacks in the street on the street or like street food like that? How many times?
I should explain it with the adverb or
Yeah, adverb. Using the adverb. Never, almost never, rarely, occasionally, what? Generally,
um,
frequently.
I sometimes I buy the street foods.
Oh, you sometimes buy the street food. Okay. Next is how many times do you go to the library?
I rarely go to the library.
Oh, You don't like reading. Oh my boy. Okay. Okay. So
I mean,
yeah. What? Occasionally or it depends
no,
it depends on your assignment or what?
because I majored in computer and informatics, so we can find the materials
On the
on the
internet.
internet.
From the
So
internet. Okay.
that's why I rarely go to the library.
Okay. So how many times do you go traveling?
Mm, I sometimes travel with my family.
Hmm. You sometimes go traveling with your family.
Yes,
Okay. How many times do you go um how many times do you go to do some sports?
I do some sports occasionally. If my
Occasionally
friends,
with your
what is
friends.
it, ask me to go with her, then I will
Oh,
go. But
okay.
if
It
it's not, then
depends on your friends, yeah?
yes.
Okay, good. How many times do you go to um do you go to the park, like recreation park, like like sometimes just take time to go to the park. Is there any parks around your area or near your house, your parents' house or
Oh, there is a, what is it? A lake,
okay.
and
You sit by the lake or you go around the lake by bicycle or walking? What is it? Like what? Like what?
back then I went to the lake, what is it? Often, but
Oh,
now I
you
rarely go
often
there.
go to the lake. A long time ago,
Yes, like
but now you don't do it
maybe
anymore. Why?
2 years ago.
Oh,
Yes, like
why you don't do it
now
anymore?
usually because my I usually go for a morning walk with my
Mm.
family, but now we prefer to walk around our house.
Okay, good job. All right, next. Let's see this one. I want you to make the sentence, yeah, from this one. Oh, wait. Okay, okay. Okay, can you see this one?
Yes.
Okay. There you go. How do you make the sentence of this one?
Paula never does the laundry.
Okay, good job. Next.
They usually take out the trash at 8:30.
They usually check out the trash at 8:30. Okay, next.
My father always takes a shower at 7:15.
7:15. Good.
Adriana sometimes takes the dog for a walk.
Good.
They always watch TV on Friday.
Good.
Fernando often cleans his room on Sunday.
Okay, next.
My mother usually does the dishes after 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Okay, good. So when you look at the sentence, we can see it's a routines and using adverb of frequency. You can see often, usually, always, yeah, and also sometimes, and usually, never, something like that. So, but this is the routines, yeah. I always take out the trash in the morning, for example. Yes. My father always take a shower. So it's habits, yeah. What you usually do in your life. The activity that you usually do. Ya, we talk about routine. Jadi ini adalah kegiatan rutin. But we use time and adverb of frequency. Like this. Okay, any question, Nabila, about adverb of frequency? Now,
No.
if no, now how do you make your own, or how do you explain, or how do you describe your own activity? Make it like this. For example, I sometimes feeding my pet, or I sometimes feeding my cat or my fish. Saya kadang-kadang memberi makan peliharaan saya, ikan atau kucing misalnya ya. Kalau ada peliharaan, if you have the pet at home. And if you watch TV program, for example, like on the spot, yeah, I always watch on the spot program on TV at 7:30 or things like that. So try to explain your things that you always do or sometimes do, yeah, using this kind of sentence, yeah. Okay. Yeah, things that you always, what you always do, always, usually, or always.
Oh, I always bring my laptop to the campus.
Okay, you always bring your laptop to the campus, of course. And next, what is it? Things that you always or usually do.
I usually eat my lunch at 1 p.m.
Yeah, okay.
When I'm when I don't have any class in the morning,
Mhm.
I usually go to my sister's room.
Mhm.
I usually do my laundry 2 times a week.
Okay, 2 times in a week, and then
Uh, I usually speak. Uh, I usually talk to my friends using Japanese. Is that right?
so you usually talk to your friend using Japanese. Okay.
Yeah.
What else do you usually do? Do you have like group assignment, kerja kelompok?
Oh, yes. I usually do my group assignment
Where do you go to
in
campus or you go to your friend's place?
usually I go to the Burju.
Hmm.
I usually do my homework at my rented house or at
Okay.
home.
Or at home. Okay. Things that you almost never do. Do you go to
I
the
almost never.
do you go to the beauty parlor or go to the skincare clinic, something like that?
No, I never go there.
Okay. And then
I almost never uh to the campus by using a motorcycle.
okay, you never go to the campus by motorcycle. And then what else?
Uh, is it never or almost never?
What? About what?
I mean, I should make a sentence with never or almost never.
Both of them. You can use both of them.
I never never use Japanese with my family.
Or you never use Japanese. You never talk in Japanese with your family. Okay.
Yes,
What do you usually talk in what language do you usually talk?
Indonesian.
Bahasa. Okay. You use bahasa. Okay. So things that you almost never do, like what?
I almost never go to a mall by myself.
Okay. So if you go to the mall, you're always with your friends or family.
Yes, I almost never go there by myself.
Okay. If you have to go
And
around the city, Do you sometimes take the public transportation, or you go by motorcycle, or you go with your family by car? Which one is always or usually happen?
I usually go with my family by a car.
By car, okay. Have you ever go to the mall by motorbike?
I think I never.
So
I
you never
usually
go to the mall by motorbike?
yes.
Okay. Do you, so how many times or have you ever see a music concert, something like that?
I think I never even I never see a music concert.
Oh, you never see a music concert. Okay. How many times do you watch a sports game? Live, ya? Live performance atau live secara langsung.
Uh,
Menyaksikan pertandingan olahraga secara langsung.
I the ad for 10%. Is it rarely? I
No,
rarely.
I almost never.
I almost never watch a sport
Sport game.
game live.
Live
I
sport game. I almost never watch live sports game. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good then. Now I would like you to do this one. You tell me, you describe someone's daily life. Okay, first look at the picture first. Okay. Look at the picture and you need to describe in sentences, yeah? In words. So you can see this is the alarm. The alarm is ringing and then he gets up from his bed. His name is Dave, yeah? This is his daily routine and you need to tell us about Dave's daily routine according to the picture. Make it into sentence. How do you describe his daily routine?
So Dave wake up at
Wait, this is after school. But you do this one first. From from he wakes up until he finish school. Okay, let's go.
Dave wakes up at 7:30 and then he turned off the alarm
Mm-hmm.
and get up from his bed. After that, he go to the bathroom to brush his teeth and take a shower. After going out from the bathroom, he he dress up,
Mm-hmm.
and at 8 he eat
Yes.
breakfast and drink some coffee,
Mm-hmm.
and then at 8:30 he goes to the school.
Okay, and then at school, how does he go to school?
He goes to the school by the school bus with his
Mm-hmm.
friends,
Mm-hmm.
and then he he's he study he's studying in a class at 9 till 12,
Mm-hmm.
and then he eat his lunch with his friend. At
Next.
3:30 he goes to
Masih dalam.
his house by a school bus.
Okay, so at 3:30, he finished, yeah? And after school,
Uh, from when he arrived at home, he rests.
Mhm.
He rests for for a moment, and then on at 6 he eats dinner,
Mhm.
and then he goes to do his homework and study for the lesson tomorrow.
Mhm.
After
Next.
that, he plays a video game on the TV. He 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 wear a pajama, and then at 11 he goes to bed.
Let's go to bed at 11. Okay, good. Let's check this one. Okay, this is how you do this. Yeah, Dave wakes up at 7:30. After he gets up, he brushes teeth. Then he takes a shower. After the shower, he get dressed or he dressed up. He has breakfast at 8. He usually, yeah, you need to put the adverb of frequency also. He usually have eggs and toast and what else? Look at the picture again. Toast, eggs, and meat, and drinks a cup of coffee. Okay, let's review for one. He usually have eggs and toast and drink a cup of coffee. He he leaves the house, yeah. He leaves the house, or it's okay you if you want to say he goes to school at and go to and at. Okay, what do you think the sentence here?
And
go to school by bus. He leaves this
bus.
house. Yeah, and he leaves the house at 8:30 and go to school by bus. School starts at 9. Dave has 3 lessons before lunch. He listened carefully to his teachers and study hard.
Study.
Yeah. I have given this one in the group ya. Ini sudah saya kasih ke grup. And he has lunch at 12. He usually go to school canteen with his friends Larry, and they sit
They
together.
eat.
Yeah, they eat together or they have lunch together. It's okay, yeah. This is just the example, but you can modify by yourself. They usually talk about sports, music, films, and girls, of course. School finish at 3:30 and Dave go home by bus. After school, Dave usually have a rest for an hour or take a nap. Take a nap itu tidur siang ya. Bisa have a rest, bisa take a nap for an hour. Usually ya, they put usually here because it's what they do every day. Yeah, they usually have a rest or take a nap for an hour. Then he has dinner at 6. His mom always cook delicious food, but their favorite meal is chicken with potatoes and salad. After dinner, he does his homework. Then he plays game on his computer for a while. At about 10:45, Dave puts on his pajamas. And go to bed. Yeah. So for describing daily routine, we use present simple. Yeah, we use present simple. Look, Dave wakes up. He brushes. Yeah. Dave has or eats. So we use present simple. Okay. So this is just an example. If you want to describe your daily routine and you want to use also a verb frequency, you can do like this. Yeah. If there is someone asks you about daily routine, for example, like this, what time do you usually have lesson at school? Or how do you go to school? How is your day? Yeah, you can tell about your routines. Yeah, using present simple. Okay. Okay, this is how you do it. You can use sentences, this kind of sentences to describe your routine. So, daily routine, talk about your routine, including the time, including the frequency. Ya, seberapa sering. Have you ever, pernahkah kamu ya, if pertanyaannya have you ever. Okay, how many time, berapa kali. Is it in a week, in a month, in a year, like that. Yeah. Any question? No? Okay, let's see. Right. Okay, try this one. But based on your daily routine, yeah. And use the correct verb. Use the correct verb. There you go. Choose the correct daily routine. Appropriate time and verb. Yeah, this is the verb. Have breakfast, have dinner, have lunch. Okay. Okay, you can start. And you also may use the adverb of frequency. For example, picture number 1. I usually get up at 8 o'clock. I sometimes have porridge.
Breakfast.
For breakfast, I sometimes have milk and what? Okay? Okay, let's go, Nabila.
I usually wake up at 8 o'clock.
Next.
I usually I usually have breakfast at 8:30.
Okay.
I sometimes is it playing with her friends?
Go to bed, have breakfast, get up, go to school. Which one?
I usually go to school at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
I sometimes have a dinner at
No.
have a lunch at 1:30.
Okay, next.
I usually have a dinner with my family at 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
I always go to bed at 10:30.
Okay, good job. Okay. So, what do you think? Is it easy or a bit difficult or how to tell
I
about your
think
own activity?
maybe because I'm still, what is it? I'm still lacking in vocabularies. I
You're still
haven't,
lacking in the vocabulary, okay?
yeah, so it's a
So,
bit difficult
it's a
to
bit
talk about
difficult.
my routine.
Okay. Now, if you are on the weekend at home, what do you do? What is the routine on the weekend? Because on the weekend, different, right? From the weekdays.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you the example again. If you do nothing at home, this is what housewife, yeah, a mother usually do at home. Usually, a mother wakes up in the morning. She wakes up earlier than others, and she prepares for breakfast, and then after that she wakes the children up, and then yeah, this is the housewife do. What about you? What do you do at home? If it's on the weekend, if you don't go anywhere, or or maybe you have an appointment with friends on the weekend. Now you can tell your weekend activity.
On the weekend, I wake up at 4:30 to pray subuh, and then I go for a morning walk with my family for 1 hour, and then we go out to have breakfast. So going for a walk, and then when
Buy some food
we
for
are
breakfast, like that.
yes,
Okay, and
then when we arrive at home, I usually watch TV or um
you don't go.
or
You don't go to take a bath or take a shower after the morning walk.
oh yes,
What time do you
and
take a
then
shower? Usually on the weekend.
uh, I take a shower in the afternoon.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Also,
And
after morning walk, you are relaxing yourself while watching TV, like that.
yes, or what is it? Playing, scrolling the social media.
Okay, scrolling on the phone, check the social media, something like that, and then what else?
Um, or what else? Oh, if there's homework that I haven't
Finished?
done, I
Yeah,
haven't finished,
yeah.
then I will do my
Yeah.
homework.
You do your homework, okay? And
Mm, what else? Oh, and then in the afternoon, I will pray duhur, and then
mm,
sometimes I take a nap,
mm-hmm.
and then take a shower and just relaxing at home. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I will use my phone or watch TV or just talking to my mom or my sister.
Oh, have a chit chat, yeah, have a chit chat with your mom or with your sister. Okay.
Yes.
All right, good. So, okay, you need to find more vocabulary, yeah, for helping you to speak fluently in English. But yeah, most of all, you did a good job with your speaking. But yeah, like you said, you need more vocabulary, yeah, because different topic, different vocabulary, right? Okay, and during Ramadan, we will do a morning class like this, yeah. But today is only you. I don't know if others forgot or they didn't read the WhatsApp group, yeah. But it's okay. But what do you think? Is it a kind of bit boring if we do like 2 hours directly, or how? Any opinion?
Maybe if there are if the others are here, I think it won't be boring
Yeah.
if we do it for 2 hours.
Yeah, because why I make it 2 hours? Because I need you, all the members, to participate in the class. And like the rest of the days that we have done, you all can practice among the members, ya, among the participants. That's why. Kenapa jadi 2 jam? Karena kalau Sabtu itu selama bulan puasa kan kalau malam nggak mungkin. Tarawih, habis tarawih kan udah malam ya. Nah, dibuat 2 jam karena biar para peserta yang hadir itu ngobrol aja gitu. Jadi kan lebih apa ya namanya? Membuat lancar gitu kan, fluent aja gitu. Jadi speaknya satu dengan yang lain itu berjalan gitu maksudnya. Jadi kalau orang ngobrol 2 jam kan nggak terasa ya biasanya ya gitu. So we will see next Saturday. Okay, Nabila? Okay, any question or anything you want to say? It's okay. Is it helpful for you? Membantu nggak? Is it helpful for you? Membantu nggak?
It's pretty helpful for me because I rarely, when I'm practicing English, I rarely talk about like my daily routines or what I do at the campus. I rarely talk about myself. So
So,
because it's I think it's a bit harder to talk about myself. So it's really helpful for me.
okay. Oh, do you join an international website for friendship or something like that? So it will help you to broaden your vocabulary. Also, it helps you to speak English more. Ada tuh website-website mungkin kayak pertemanan, relationship internasional. You can find the age between 20 to 30 misalnya ya. Ada di kalau nggak salah grup-grup internasional yang pertemanan itu yang usia dari 20-30 tuh ada. Nah, itu kan berbagai macam orang ya. Dan pasti pakai bahasa Inggris. Nah, itu helped me ya. Because I used to like when I was 20s, in the 20s, I joined the website group like that, and then I start communicating with them. Memang waktu itu kan zamannya saya dulu itu when at my era we don't have video call or voice chat or something like that, but we chat by typing, yeah, like in Yahoo Messenger, something like that. But it helps me to broaden my grammar and also my English skill, especially in writing and in speaking. But when around 2012 or 2013, there is an application named Skype. Then I use the application to talk with the people from abroad like that. I think they still have it now ya. Skype itu masih ada kayaknya sampai sekarang. Nah, try like that. Gitu. Sometimes when there is WhatsApp, or my friend will call by video call and we can talk. Tapi ya itu kadang-kadang sambungannya tergantung koneksi sih. Itu it can help you to sharpen your speaking skill untuk menajamkan apa skill bahasa untuk bicaranya ya. Try join the website ya. You can find from Facebook or you can find in Google Play Store. Bisa ketik aja misalnya international relationship atau international friendship kayak gitu-gitu ada kok nanti. Ya, ya it's trying to be confident terus you have your be bold ya. Be bold itu lebih berani aja gitu. Oke. If there are more participant, I think it's more crowded ya. It's just cool gitu ya. Kalau banyak lagi pesertanya kita ngobrol-ngobrol tuh kayaknya lebih seru aja ya, lebih rame. Cuman I don't know. They didn't give me any information. So maybe hopefully next Saturday they will all join with the class. Okay. Any more you want to say, Nabila? Do you have
No.
friends in campus that he or she used to take an English course? You can practice with them.
Oh,
Iya,
but
kalau Nabila punya teman atau kakak atau saudara yang pernah kursus bahasa Inggris gitu, terus ngobrol aja misalnya English Day itu misalnya tiap hari Selasa, ya udah tiap hari Selasa ngomong Inggris ya sama temennya gitu, 2 jam aja nggak usah seharian gitu kan, contohnya kayak gitu misalnya nih mau jajan atau Ramadan ya, come on look for takjil, what do you want to buy, uh, sweet food, sour food, spicy food, or sweet sour, spicy sweet. Nah, itu bisa diobrolin gitu. If you have some interest with your friend and when you talk and dia juga seneng gitu ya untuk ngobrol dalam bahasa Inggris, it's okay. Coba misalnya sekali twice in a week, for example 2 kali seminggu ya. Misalnya English Day is uh, Tuesday and Friday, misalnya cuma tiap hari Selasa sama Jumat. Udah ngobrol aja gitu. You can find your friend that have ever been to an English course. Jadi bisa cari temennya yang dulu pernah kursus bahasa Inggris gitu. Kan kalau udah lama nggak kursus kayaknya udah lupa ya, udah itu nggak pernah ngobrol gitu kan. Gitu. Cari temennya gitu. Atau di rumah juga kalau bapaknya atau kakaknya pintar bahasa Inggris ngobrol aja gitu. Jadi di rumah percakapannya ada dua atau tiga bahasa ya, bahasa Inggris, bahasa Jawa, bahasa Indonesia.
actually, I can do it with my sister, but it's a bit embarrassing. So I think I prefer talking to strangers.
Oh yeah, why?
Using
It's
English,
okay.
it will be awkward to speak English with my sister, I think.
Oh, it's okay.
You can speak English.
Oh, it's a bit shame. You're not embarrassing, but it's like a kind of shame because you never do it before, yeah. And then when
Yes.
you want to start, it's like that ya, agak-agak gimana ya gitu suasananya, agak-agak kikuk gitu ya. Awkward tuh kayak kikuk lah gitu, kayak gagap gitu ya, karena sebelumnya udah nggak
Tanggung.
pernah kan ya. Tapi boleh sih dicoba bentar-bentar. Misalnya, if you see your sister or your mother, they are cooking at the kitchen, you can go to the kitchen and ask them, what are you doing? What are you cooking? Can I help? And then you can learn about food and vegetable also, yeah, like, I'm cooking soup. What do you use for soup? I use carrot, potato, green beans. Sometimes it's also vocabulary ya untuk masak. Atau you are not confident enough because you think you don't have enough vocabulary to start the conversation gitu ya. Kadang-kadang agak-agak kaku atau kikuk karena ini vocabulary-nya apa ya, kamu nanya ini ya gitu. Kadang-kadang kepikiran gitu atau gimana?
I think because it will be awkward to do it with the people I know.
Oh, with the member of your
So
family, yeah.
yes.
So it's
So
easier to talk to a stranger.
yes, or talking by myself.
In Semarang also there are some tourists, right? You can start to ask them Pernah nggak ketemu turis di Semarang? Atau kayak
Pernah
di mana? Di
di
kota tua Semarang ya kalau
Jogja.
nggak salah ada kan kota tua Semarang atau Jogja?
Iya, kota lama.
Iya kota lama bukan kota tua. Iya kalau di Jakarta we have old city ya kota tua ya. Kalau Semarang itu juga old juga ya, old city juga sama-sama lama gitu. So have you ever tried kalau ketemu turis?
No, I'm not confident enough to do that.
Why? You should try ya sometimes. Nggak apa-apa kalau
Maybe.
misalnya ketemu turis yang lagi celana celinguk gitu. Mister or Miss, are you looking for something? Can I help? Like that. Nggak apa-apa.
If they come to me and ask to me about something, then I will be able to answer them. But I'm not confident enough to start the conversation.
Oh, you don't want to start first. Okay. So people have to start asking you, yeah? Okay. Okay, Nabila, what time do you get up today?
Um, I get up at 3:30
Also, during
a.m.
Ramadan, you get up 3:30 every day.
Yes, around 3:30.
Okay, and then after that you sleep again or
I I eat first, and then I pray subuh, and then I sleep again.
I think during Ramadan people almost do the same, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for today, and then thank you for having a really good conversation with you, and I will see you again on next Saturday. Okay, hopefully the rest of the participant will join us, ya. Mudah-mudahan minggu depan anggotanya banyak lagi yang ikutan ngumpul. Thank you Nabila. I will end the session. Thank you very much and have a nice day, okay? Thank you.
Thank you,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
May.
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye bye Nabila.